Hi guys, I'm here with a Facet Jewelry Box. Now this is something really fun because you make your own jewelry. You can look at facetjewelrybox.com. This is everything you need to create beautiful jewelry. So if you like to create things, if you're crafty and you also like jewelry, this is great for yourself. And if you have someone that fits the description of, this would make a great gift. Let's look what's inside because I haven't even opened this. Okay. You can share your creations on Instagram at Facet Jewelry Box. So inside we have this, and our instructions are in here. Okay, that will show us how to make this necklace and earrings. So let's see what's in the box. We have wrapped briolette earring wires, wrapped briolette earrings, quartz briolettes right there in that package. In this package we have pearl cascade necklace, 12mm beads, and then we have the chain and everything else. There's other beads in there. Let me see what we have in here. Okay, so we have 12mm beads, 8mm beads, 10mm beads, freshwater pearls, pearl cascade necklace curb chain, pearl cascade necklace findings. And then I showed you this. So now So in addition to the kit, you're also going to need 2 pairs of pliers, a chain nose and a flat nose or bent nose, round nose pliers, and wire cutters. So I will have to get those pieces and come back to you. I think I might want to do this with my daughter when she's home, but I think I'd like to do it on a video. Would you guys like to see that on a video? Let me know in the comments, and I hope to be having a giveaway, but we'll see. I will update you more on that, but that is what is in the Facet Jewelry Box. Have a good one, guys. Bye.